Alright, so today what we're going to do is we're going to get signed up onto the Agile platform that we'll be using, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The software that we're going to be using, do a Google search on Atlassian JIRA, and you want to skip this pay-per-click link. We don't want to be charging them for something we're going to be using for free, so get to this main link, click on it. Then once you get to this screen, you want to scroll all the way down till you get to simple plans hosted in the cloud, and you can see here they offer it for free up to 10 users. Click that. Free features, 2 gigabytes, up to 10 users, community support. This is really comparable to what Google offers in its free Google Suite, which is very nice. So that just shows you that this company, which is based out in Australia, they're a pretty big company. They're the big name in Agile software. So once you get involved with JIRA and you get some experience back behind you with JIRA, then you're going to be prepared for a professional web development environment where they're using probably JIRA. So fill out your email, password, first name, last name, and all that jazz. And once you get done with that, and then in the next video we're going to go over the platform a little bit, and then we're going to start building out using Scrum. We're going to build out our project. So see you in the next video.